Hey guys, this is Epson Workforce WF7840. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. You need to go to on top and select Wi-Fi network image. Select on it. Now you will see this information, network connection setting, select connection method. So you select the option 1, router. Select on it. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select change settings, then select Wi-Fi setup wizard. The first option, select, and it will start to search for available router, and it picked up the office router. So you need to select the router available. So the next thing is it will show you the router name, so you select enter password. Now we need to type in the password. Sometimes people ask where you get the information for the network password. You get the information from the back of your network router. The same network you use for your mobile device or to connect to your laptop is what is required here. So I have the information here. So what I'm going to do now is to put the password. Before I proceed, I also want to mention, so the password you are typing in is case sensitive. So you need to use up arrow if you want to type in capital alphabet. If you select 123 hash for you to type in numbers. So we need to start in this format. And also if you are typing small letter, you need to use up and down this button for you to select capital. Also select up again, it will go back to lower case. So now I'm typing the password. And once you're done that, you select OK. Now the next is for you to select Start Setup. Setup complete. We need to do this a couple of times and you can see setup complete, and it's showing us now the router. Okay, so you go back and if you select home, you will see network router. Okay, so this is how to connect this. You may need to do this a couple of times for the printer to connect to network. So now you can do so many things with this printer, but this is how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network. Once you connected it to a Wi-Fi network, connect it to your laptop, what you need to do is you need to go to Epson website. Okay, and this is Epson UK. Select on it. Now this is Epson homepage. Now the next you need to do, you need to select support. So go to support. You scroll down and type product name, or you type the serial number. This Epson is Epson Workforce WF7840. It will show you Epson Workforce. Select on it. And this is this printer here. You show you the image of the printer. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select product setup. The first option is Epson setup product. So then you select download. Epson product setup contain everything you need to set up this Epson product. So you select download. So you select open. So once you select download, then you need to go on top where the file is downloaded. Select it's open by double clicking it, and you will see, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You select yes. And this app here is Epson Exceed Your Vision. You just need to wait. Now the next thing you need to do is for you to agree terms and conditions. These are things we need to complete. The tasks we need to complete. You need to complete these tasks until you reach to the finish. So you select accept the terms and condition. Have you read? You select yes. Now, thank you for choosing Epson product. You select next. Now it's downloading required software, downloading printer driver. So now it's downloading printer driver, downloading fax utility, and each section that is downloaded, it will take a good mark for you to show you that that particular section is downloaded. Now it's installing printer, scanner, and driver. The following printer are dictated, so you need to select on it, select on the printer, okay, and select next. Select next. Setup is in progress. Please wait. The next is configuring settings. So it's progressing. Checking the system environment. And you can see the connection is ticked good, that the connection is done. So now it's going to installation. Now the next thing is for you to select all the features that you need. Okay, fax utility, scan utility, manual, Epson print, and Epson scan smart. Then the next thing you need to do is you select install. So it's installing Epson Scan 2. Now print test page. Select print test page. Here we go. It's now printing test page. There we go. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer. Epson Connect solution. So now this printer and laptop are connected. Okay, and select next. Now what it's doing now, checking for the fireware. Now you need to update your printer fireware. This takes several minutes. You cannot cancel the update. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select skip update. Your product is ready to use. Select finish. Okay, so now this printer is ready. Now you can print document from laptop to the printer. Thank you and stay blessed.